Hello everybody, today Jimmy will be making something.
Yes, that something is something that I used to make in my 20s.
Oh, someday.
What? I'm going to be making for you guys and you again.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, I'm going to be making these I don't know what you call it, beef roll-ups. Let's call it beef roll-ups. Teriyaki beef roll-ups. That's
Oh.
what I'm going to name this dish. Like I mentioned, this is something I used to make when I was super young. One of the first dishes that I actually made. I saw this on television or something, and I tried to replicate it by myself, and it turned out really, really good. And I haven't made this in a really, really long time, but I'm sure you guys are gonna like it. So ingredients are really simple. You guys know how much I like easy cooking. All we need is thinly sliced strips of beef. We got a carrot, we got some green beans, we have some sugar. This is some cooking sake. This is soy sauce, and we got some cooking oil. That's to fry the meat later on. So first things first, we are going to cut the carrot. Now this is already washed, so I'm not going to what do you call it? I'm not going to peel the carrot. You don't really need to if you make sure you wash it. Okay, and we actually need thin strips of carrot. So I'm cutting it into thin strips like this. Okay, and I actually want it a little bit thinner, so I'm gonna cut it like so. Okay, so you kind of want it like this. This is what we're going for here. Okay. So I guess you would call the julienne carrots. Yeah, I don't think we need this much, but that's okay. I can always use this for something else, like a salad or something. Yeah, I definitely don't need this much. Okay, so that's enough carrots. We're gonna put this on the side, and then we are going to cut the green beans as well. Just wanna cut off the ends. Like so, and I want to make it the same size as the carrot, so it has to be the same size. I'm going to cut that in half. So you want it the same size as a carrot. Gonna cut the green beans to the same size. Cut the ends off. If you want to make it easier for yourself, you can always use frozen green beans. No problem. No problem. Frozen is fine. And we got one more here. I'm using fresh today because I find that fresh green beans is actually pretty good. I'm gonna turn on the heat. I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. I'm gonna wait until that boils. Our Christmas tree this year, we decided to get a small one because just because we wanted to do something different. You know, our Christmas tree is super big and it's heavy. But this year we thought we'd go simple. Oh, and by the way, these are from our friends in Germany. Thank you so much. That one and this one, these two baubles right here, these are from Germany. So thank you. Really adds some nice color to our Christmas tree. So it looks like the water is boiling. So let's dump in our vegetables, our carrots, and our green beans. And we are going to boil this for about maybe 2 to 3 minutes until they are crisp tender. Now while we are waiting for the vegetables to finish cooking, we're gonna start with our pieces of beef. So here we have thinly slices of beef right here, and I know that in some countries it's difficult to find thinly sliced beef, but maybe if you go to like an Asian grocery, you can find meat made for sukiyaki or shabu shabu, and if not, maybe you can ask the people at the store to thinly slice it for you. Okay, so I'm actually going to cut this in half because beef is expensive here in Japan, so I want to get as much out of the beef as possible. This way I can get two with these pieces right here. I can get 2 pieces from this one slice. Okay, as you can see, these beef slices are very, very thin. I'm gonna take out the vegetables I have here. I love how when you boil vegetables, they become brighter. The color becomes much brighter. Don't you agree, Satoshi?
I agree.
Right? Look at that. Look how beautiful. Okay, so we got the carrots, we got the green beans. If you don't like green beans, another good alternative would be strips of bell pepper. Yeah, bell pepper is also green as well. Now, if you don't like carrots, just use green and red bell pepper. That makes it even more Christmassy. But once again, this is not a Christmas menu, so don't worry about it too much. Okay, so we're gonna add in maybe 2 of the carrot slices. Sorry, carrot sticks right here at the edge, and put it with 1 of the green beans. We are going to roll it up like this. Easy peasy. Look at that. Look at that. And once you do that, you want to get a toothpick and you want to secure it with a toothpick like so. And there you have one. Isn't that easy? And it's pretty as well. So,
Very easy.
right?
Incredibly easy.
Incredibly easy. Yeah, I mean, this dish, for some reason, it looks more difficult to make, I think, but it's one of the easiest things. Okay. But it's one of the easiest things to make. You know? And, you know, very simple ingredients as well. So I'm gonna do one more time. Put 2 carrots, put 1 green bean. Once again, you can put 3 carrots if you like. It's really up to you. But this is the size I prefer. And you can see they are perfect for bentos. They're small enough for bentos. There we go. I'm going to finish rolling the rest up. There you have it. We got 8 here today. It's 4 slices of beef, but we made 8. So we're gonna heat up the frying pan. We're gonna add in some cooking oil. Heat up some oil.
In your country, what do you eat for Christmas?
That's a good question.
In Japan, we eat nothing. Because we have no Christmas traditions.
No, that's not true. A lot of Japanese people eat chicken, like they eat KFC chicken.
That's right, KFC
Right,
chicken.
and then they have a Christmas cake. I mean, almost everybody eats a Christmas cake here, I think. So I'm gonna add in the meat. Like that. And you know what? Come to think of it, guys, I realize you don't really need the toothpick. I realize that you don't need it. You know, like if you put the seam side down, it'll automatically stick together. But I think the toothpicks just make it a little easier. Cook the meat on all sides. The vegetables are already cooked, and then we're gonna make the sauce later on in the same frying pan. It's quite easy. So we're cooking this over medium high heat. So we're going to take this toothpick off and turn it over because it has sealed itself already. Take this off. Now, if you don't like soy sauce, you can simply salt and pepper this and eat it really simple like a steak if you want. Okay, so we're cooking the meat on all sides. Yeah, make sure you get it brown like that. That's what you want.
It looks very appetizing.
Doesn't it? Yeah? Well, you know, I know that you love beef. Satoshi loves beef. My family, for some reason, their favorite meat is pork. And I don't know what I like most. What's my favorite
like chicken?
meat? I like chicken, but I also like pork. For example, shabu shabu. I actually prefer pork to beef. How about you guys? What's your favorite type of meat? Beef, pork, chicken, lamb? Now after about a minute, what I like to do is like to place the cover over the frying pan and just kind of steam it over medium-low heat, just to make sure that the meat is fully cooked through. Okay, so 1 minute has passed. We're gonna open it up, and the meat should be cooked through. Yeah, it looks like it's cooked through, right? Yeah, look at that. It's perfect. So to make the sauce, we're gonna combine into this bowl right here the soy sauce. So that's about that's about like a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. We're putting maybe a tablespoon of sugar. And then we're adding maybe a teaspoon of sake. And if you don't have sake, or if you don't want to use sake for, any reason, you can simply omit the sake and just make the sauce with soy sauce and sugar if you want. Okay, so mix it up really nicely. Yeah. Actually, I want it a little bit sweeter. So I'm actually adding in all my sugar. So that's actually like maybe 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, that's better. Okay, we're gonna pour this over the meat like that. Okay, and turn up the heat so we can cook it so it becomes a little bit caramelized. I used to add kneading to this as well. Kneading is kind of like a sweet cooking sake, but we've had a lot of comments saying that they can't get their hands on kneading. So I've omitted from this recipe. You can add like ginger to the sauce if you like, grated ginger. That would give it a really nice gingery flavor. But just keeping it simple today. So it is ready, guys. So let's take out the meat and put it on top of this cutting board. So using my chopsticks here, I'm gonna cut it like this. And that way you can see the inside.
Oh.
You see?
Oh.
And then we're gonna put it into this plate here. Actually, like that. And you can imagine this would be great in a bento, right?
It's good for bento.
Right, good for bento. You can pour on some more sauce over the entire thing like that. Super easy teriyaki beef roll up. Hope you guys like it. Doesn't it look good?
Very good.
Give it a try.
Itadakimasu.
Dozo. I hope you like it. I hope he likes it. I hope you guys try it, and I hope you guys like it as well. How is it?
Yeah, sausage is pretty nice.
Thank you. Really simple, right?
But good. Much is big, very much. And carrot and beans have nice texture and flavor.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm so glad you think so.
That combination is pretty nice.
Right? Here, have this piece with a lot of sauce. Is it good? Right? And this would be perfect for bentos. You can imagine it in a bento. Delicious. I don't know why. I forgot all about this dish. It's pretty easy to make.
I haven't seen in these 20 years.
I know. We haven't known each other for 20 years.
19 years.
Has it been 19 years already? Since we met?
Yep.
19 years?
Yep.
So we've been together for 19 years?
Yep.
19 years?
Yep.
Oh my god. We've almost been together for 20 years. So 19 years. Wow. Well, I'm so happy that Satoshi liked it. Once again, I hope you guys try it out, and I hope you guys like it as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipes, don't forget to hit that like button right below us. And if you're new to our channel and you want to learn more about simple Japanese home cooking, or some, original concoctions that you usually make, which are also fabulous, make sure to subscribe and press that notification bell. That's very, very important.
Thank you for watching. See you on next delicious recipe video. Next one is mine.
Yes, it is.
Bye.
Bye.